Welcome back to my channel. Today we are crocheting these adorable baby frocks, perfect for newborns up to 6 months. It's soft, comfy and makes a beautiful handmade gift. Let's go started. We will begin with the soft baby yarn and a 3.5 mm crochet hook. Start by chaining 60 stitches. This will form the neckline of our frocks. Next, we will work on the yoke. Use double crochet stitches and increase evenly across 4 points to form the round shape. Continue for 6 to 8 rows or until it reaches the baby chest. Now we separate the sleeves. Skip the stitches for the arms and crochet across the front and back panels to create the body. This creates that classic frock shape. Once you reach the desirable length, finish off with the pretty border. Now back the sleeves, crochet in the round and add 4 to 5 rows of double crochet. You can mirror the border on the sleeve edge too. Almost done. Add a small button at the back of the neckline or a satin ribbon for clear. Make sure it's inshore and baby safe. To decorate, you can add a small bow or crochet flowers on the frock and waistline. Keep it simple and sweet. And there you have it, a beautiful handmade crochet baby frock. Don't forget to like it, share and subscribe for more baby crochet tutorials. And if you want any suggestions, so please tell me in comment section. I will consider your opinion and improving your content. So keep supporting and keep watching me. So dear friends, goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. Remember me in your prayers. Then bye.